So
I will go.
how do you found our innovation? Means do you feel this innovation really works for people, or like
Really,
somewhere in Google every people
yeah,
are
I
seeing?
can tell you, I had the device in my hand. I had the device in my hand. I feel it's a magic. Really, it's a miracle. It's a miracle, simply.
Thank you
Because
so much.
I was not believing in this device. I was not believing in device. This will help me. But still, when you convinced me that this you try once this device, so I thought, let me see. I spend a lot of money here and there. So why don't I should not want to try this device as well? So I just bought this device from your office, and I tried continuously, and it's helping me a lot. Now I can say that 50% is not a big, and it's huge. It's huge.